I was playing gorilla tag late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. From a monkey from its tree began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the mash. He did the monkey mash.
The monkey mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
He did the monkey mash. From the haunted trees to the mountains east, to the monster canyons where the monkeys feast. The gorillas are came from their humble abodes to get a joke from my electrode.
He did the mash.
They did the monkey mash.
The monkey mash.
It was a graveyard
They
smash.
did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
They did the mash.
They did the monkey mash. The monkeys are having fun, and the party's just begun. Lucy right from the skull. We're having fun. Happy Halloween!